Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix fail to load Onlinefix64.Dll dynamic link library on your Windows. So thanks to easeof.com to provide me this article. Say hey, here we go. There is a 5 method that you can try to fix the Onlinefix64.Dll missing from your Windows. The first one, you can check if Windows Defender deleted the files. You can open a virus. You can open Windows Defender by search box Windows as keys. You can hold Windows plus as keys. Open the virus threat protection and click on protection history. So you can try to restore and try to omitting the game folder from Windows Defender here. Then you can try to disable your antivirus. You can restore the file or review the antivirus log for more information of the file is located. Third, you can reinstall the software or the game that contain Onlinefix64.Dll. Next, you can try to download manually from dllme.com, for example, Onlinefix64.Dll free download. You can try to put the dynamic link library file in the correct location here. And last, you can run sfc, the command prompt, run as administrator, and type sfc's space and hashtag scan now to fix missing or corrupted files on your system. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. There's a next button below. See you in the next video.